Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome to Divisional Public School and Inter College, Lahore. Lecture 3, Science, Class 2. Assalamu alaikum. This is Miss Aisha Azhar. Dear students, we have discussed Unit 5 Animals in last two lectures. Now, today we will do the exercise on page 37, 38 and 39. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 9. Before starting our lecture, I want you to open your books and start doing your work with me. Now let's start our exercise. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Which of these would be useful for a wild animal that eats deer? A. The ability to run fast. B. The ability to move quietly. C. Large claws and teeth. D. All of the above. Yes, it is all of the above. Number 2. Which three of these can come from hen? A. Meat. B. Eggs. C. Feathers. D. Milk. Yes, you are right. These are meat, eggs and feathers. Number 3. Which of these animals is a scavenger? A. Horse. B. Bear. C. Vulture. D. Tiger. Yes, it is vulture. Number 4. Which of these have webbed feet? A. Ducks. B. Bears. C. Fish. D. Goat. Yes, these are ducks. Number 5. Which of these is a wild animal? A. Horse. B. Kitten. C. Bear. D. Sheep. Yes, you are right. It is bear. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks using the words in the box. Now, the word bank is given to you and you have to choose the correct option and then fill in the blank. Number 1. We get silk from a dash. Yes, what do you think? What is it? Yes, it is a silkworm. We get silk from a silkworm. Number 2. A dash is kept as a pet. It catches mice. Yes, it is cat. A cat is kept as a pet. It catches mice. Number 3. A dash lays eggs. Yes, a hen lays eggs. Number 4. We get wool from dash. It is sheep. We get wool from sheep. Number 5. Frog and fish are similar because both lay dash in water. Yes, the last one, eggs. Frog and fish are similar because both lay eggs in water. Question number 3. Look at the picture and complete the fact file about frogs below. using the correct words and phrases from the brackets. Number 1. A frog lives in dash, air, water, land, or land and water. Yes, a frog lives in land and water both. Number 2. It has dash limbs. 2, 4, 6. Look at the picture and find out how many limbs does a frog have. Yes, it has 4 limbs. Number 3. Its skin is dash, dry and scaly, bumpy and wet. Yes, you are right. It is bumpy and wet. Its skin is bumpy and wet. Number 4. It dash a neck, has or does not have. Come on, quickly look at the picture and find out. Yes, a frog doesn't have a neck. It does not have a neck. Number 5. It eats dash flies or grass. Yes, you are right. It eats flies. Number 6. It hisses, croaks or screeches. It croaks. Number 7. Baby frogs are called dash, chrysalis or tadpoles. Yes, you are right. Tadpoles. Baby frogs are called tadpoles. Question number 4. Make a fact file on the butterfly. Dear students, fact file means that you have to collect or write the information which is based on truth. So let's just start. Number 1. It is a flying insect. Number 2. It has 2 colorful wings. You can see the 2 butterflies in the picture are having beautiful and colorful wings. Number 3. It has 6 legs. Number 4. It fed on nectar. Number 5. It lays eggs. Question number 5. Name the following. Now let's see whether you have remembered lecture number 1 or not. Number 1. An animal with a hump on its back. Can you guess what is it? Yes, it is a camel. Number 2. An animal with horns. Yes, it is rhinoceros. Number 3. An animal with claws. Can you guess what is it? Yes, it is a lion. Number 4. An animal with tusks. Yes, it is an elephant. Number 5. An animal with fur. What do you think? What is it? Yes, it is a bear and fur helps to keep it warm. Now, let's do question number 6. Look at the pictures on page 33 and match the following. Trunk. Now, what do you think? Why a trunk is used for? Yes, a trunk is used for grasping, breathing and producing sound. Number 2. Fur. Fire is used for keeping warm. Number 3, fin. Yes, a fin is used for sliding through the water easily. Number 4, horns. Why horns are used for? Yes, horns are used for fighting. Number 5, tail. Yes, a tail is used for balancing on branches. Question number 8. Draw a feather. If you can find one to look at, use it to help you draw picture. Dear students, there are different types of feathers. You can see over here. You can draw any one of them which you like the most. Question number 9. Write the names of these animals in the correct columns of the table below. Dear students, different animals are given over here. Now you have to separate them according to these columns or these headings. We live in water or we do not live in water. Now let's just start. Lizard. Yes, what do you think? Where does a lizard live? Lizard doesn't live in water. Eel. Eel lives in water. Octopus. Octopus lives in water. It is a water animal. Then we have shark. Yes, shark also lives in water. Rabbit. Rabbit doesn't live in water. Then we have crab. Crab lives in water and it doesn't live in water. It lives on land too. So you will write crab in both columns. Then we have lobster. Lobster live in water. Then snake. Yes, snake doesn't live in water. Goldfish. Goldfish lives in water. Then whale. What do you think? Where does a whale live? Yes, it lives in water. Whale is a water animal. Then rat. Rat doesn't live in water. Fly. Fly also doesn't live in water. Then we have butterfly. Butterfly doesn't live in water. Scorpion. Scorpion also doesn't live in water. Then we have orangutan. Yes, orangutan doesn't live in water. It is a kind of monkeys or apes. Then we have nightingale. Yes, nightingale doesn't live in water. Then tadpole. What do you think? Where does a tadpole live? Yes, you are right. It lives in water. Then seahorse. Seahorse also lives in water. Then jackal. Yes, jackal doesn't live in water. It is a wild dog. Then centipede. Centipede doesn't live in water. Dear students, that's it for today. Make sure that you will complete all the exercise and learn all the questions by heart. Take care. Allah Hafiz.